The first thing that you'll want to do is actually add the standards. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of tabs, and you're going to want to go into the Students tab. And within that tab, you'll see several choices here at the top, and the one you're going to want to pick is the Admin tab, so go ahead and click on that. And within that, you'll see there's choices underneath that as well, and the one you're going to want to choose is the Import Standards button. So when you click on that, that will bring up the library of standards for each subject. Now when you click on the subject, underneath that, you're going to see that there are all the grades listed. And then if all the grades that are listed are underlined, that means you can click on those to open up the categories within that grade. And within the categories, there's also subcategories. And within the subcategories, when you click on it, you'll see the standards that are associated with that category, grade, and subject. When you are done selecting the individual subcategories or individual standards, that's when you would want to save all your changes. And you can do that by down in the bottom right hand corner, you'll see a green button where it says Save Changes. And once you click on that, it will confirm it.